The major objective of the trinational forum was to actually establish a knowledge exchange kind of relationship between the three countries, right? And at the forum we had various presentations. We had presentations, for instance, from the donors themselves, IUCN and MARFON, and we also had presentations in terms of income diversification initiatives from the WCS, the Wildlife Conservation Society, and then we had exchanges between the fishers themselves. So what we established during the Trinational Fisher Forum were a presentation of threats and opportunities from the perspective of the fisher folks in the three countries. After we obtained these threats and these opportunities that exist within the Gulf of Honduras, then we consolidated the information into a summary, and from that summary now we could inform the relevant authorities as to the next actions in order to increase management effectiveness of the Gulf of Honduras. This of course includes a portion of the Zapadilla Keys Marine Reserve being used predominantly by Hondurans and Guatemalans without the valid fishing licenses, etc. In terms of the opportunities, we were looking mostly at income diversification opportunities that may exist, and we have under the Belize Fund, in terms of Belize, we had designed a particular project in which we will be investing in 4 communities in Belize as it relates to one income diversification option or project. We also raise funds to ensure that one community in Honduras and one community in Guatemala also have the necessary funding to engage in a small income diversification project in 2025. The Trinational Forum has had as one of its major objectives identifying these income diversification initiatives. So we looked at, for instance, other projects in which we could derive then the necessary funding to support the fisher communities with income diversification initiatives. WCS has an ongoing project, and also MARFON. So there are funds now for income diversification options, and the fishers are privy of this now. It's just a matter of us, the conservation organizations, to work along with our communities to ensure that the fishers have viable options as it relates to income diversification.